Hi everyone, this is another video concerning the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. And if you watched the first video that I made on this particular drone, I just did the unboxing, but now I am assembling it. As you can see, I have already started the assembly. And just for a recap, I'll just tell you a little bit about the various parts that came in the box. This is the mobile phone holder. It comes with one. It also comes with the rechargeable battery, which is also very good. And then it has the remote control. I'll explain a little bit further about the remote control. It also comes with the fisheye HD camera, and also it has a spare propeller. That's a replaceable one. Should you damage one of these, then you have two of them to use as replacements. It also has a landing gear. As you can see, I've already installed three of them. I'm just going to show how to install this one. And then it has the protection ring. The protection ring, I've already installed three of them. I'll just show how to install that one. And then it has a charging adapter. Where did I put it? Up right here. This is what you use to charge the battery. Okay, and then it has a screwdriver. Okay, so it came also with 4 batteries. These batteries came in the box, so I just put them in there. And then it has this directions that came in the box. Also, I had to peel them off from here and then put it here, and one here. Okay. So let me just finish the assembly of this remote control real quick. Just put it in, slide it in. This one here. One good thing about this remote control is that it has one key takeoff and one key landing gear. So the takeoff and the landing, it's all underneath. It also has various speeds. It has the slow, the medium, and the high. Then it has the calibration right here. And also the directional control stick on your right, and the throttle stick on your left. It also has the headless mode, a return to home, which is real good. If you fly too far and you just want to bring it back, you can hit return to home and then it comes back to you. And then it has the orbital shot and then the power button right there. Okay. To install this phone holder, it's very simple. Just put it in, and then it came with this screw right here. Just screw it in. And with that, you're all set. You can put your remote your phone on there after you've downloaded the app, and you have live streaming coming up. Alright, and also to install the battery, it's very simple. It goes on the drone right here. All you do is to flip this open, and then this two goes together. It's very simple. And then you just push it in. Some people get confused, they don't know what this is, but this is where you charge the battery using this cord. So for now, this just stays in there, and when you need to charge, you hook it to this and then to your power source. And then this landing gear, I prefer to put the screws in first, and then just put it on there and screw it in. That way it's easier. Make sure it's tight real well. Okay, we got that done. And then for the protection, you slide it in. You have to use a little bit of force. If not, it's not gonna fit properly. So what I do is I hold it like this, and then now it's locked in. And then you put your two screws. Make sure it's tight. One of the things why I like this this particular one, this VIVITAR AEROVIEW video, is that the upper shell is really durable, and the routers are really well protected within, and as you can see, it's free. And also the landing gear, some of the drones that I've seen, the landing gear is not as good as this, and then it's a little bit flexible, so even if it has a steep landing, you can always bounce a little bit, and then it's on there. It's not too heavy. And yeah, let's install the camera. To install it is very simple. Just push it in. Has to slide in, and then this one goes. It depends on whether you want to do a video or you want to do the machine out. So I'll just put it in the video section for now, and that's all you do. And then you can turn it to face whatever direction, whether you want to film backward or forward or straight down. Right here, this is one of the areas where I think it's a little bit tricky, because it's not as easy as you would expect to rotate. It doesn't turn around. You have to manually set it to what angle you want before flying. But so far so good. Okay. So basically that's how you assemble this VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. It's very nice and simple. It's not too big, it's not too small. For example, if you compare it to these other two, just to give you an idea of the size, see, this one is a little bit smaller, and which is also a very good drone, but I prefer this one, the size of the VIVITAR. Okay, so please subscribe. My next video, I'll show how to calibrate your remote to the drone, and then do a test flight with it, and then show you how to charge the battery. I've already explained it, but physically show you how to do it. Please subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to answer them. Alright, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.